How do you merge partitions in Windows 10 without losing your previous data? Well, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling guilty of admitting that my computer storage always looks like a jigsaw puzzle sometimes. All that C drive, D drive, E drive, and somehow you're still running out of space on one while the other is practically empty? Sounds familiar, right? Which is exactly why today I bring you 2 ways to merge those partitions and tidy up your storage. Whether you're merging your C drive with another partition or combining D and E, we've got you covered. And don't worry, I'll make sure you don't lose a single byte of data. Merge your partition via disk management. The first way of doing so is by using the built-in tool Disk Management. To illustrate this process, let's say I'm trying to merge my D and E drives. But as you can see, both drives have data stored on them. So first and foremost, back up your data on the E drive using an external disk or backup software. We don't want to lose it all, do we? Once you're done, open Disk Management, then find the partition you want to merge. Like here, you can see me merging D and E. So right-click on the E drive like I'm doing so and delete. Don't panic. This will only turn it into an allocated space. Right-click the partition you want to extend, like here I'm clicking on D and select Extend Volume. Just follow the prompts and you're done. Then you can restore the data that was previously on the E drive to the D drive so that you can access them again. Now this method is great if you're merging adjacent partitions like D and E and you don't mind a little manual work, but it only works for adjacent partitions. Yup, if your partitions aren't sitting next to each other, you will need a different approach. And if you've got apps or projects tied to specific drive letters, this might cause some hiccups. At this point, we can use a third-party tool to fix it. Today, I'll introduce you to EaseUS Partition Master. Just like its name suggests, it's super easy to use, whether you want to expand your disk storage, convert disk formats, or fix disk system issues. This software has you covered. And the best part, merging 2 non-adjacent partitions, just like we're doing today, only takes a few simple steps. Here's how. First, download EaseUS Partition Master from the link in the description below. Once installed, open the software and you can see a clear interface and the disk layout of your computer. Be careful. Don't alter other drives associated with Windows as it can lead to serious system issues. Now select the first partition you want to merge, like here I'm doing C. Now right-click and choose Merge. Select the second partition and you can preview the layout after the merge down here. If it looks fine to you, hit OK. If you don't see the merge option after selecting a drive, disable its BitLocker encryption by going to BitLocker Manager and clicking the Unlock and Turn Off button. You can find detailed steps in my previous video. Then just click Execute and voila! Your partitions are merged and all your data from E is safely stored in this folder on C. As you can see, these files are the ones I had on the E drive earlier, and every single file has been safely stored in this new folder. Although that's still a premium feature, you can still enjoy the convenience of merging 2 adjacent partitions for free. So there you have it, 2 ways you can merge partitions in Windows 10 without losing your data. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd like to hear from you. Until then, see ya!